Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Say hi to the dogs, Whiskey and Luna. So today we're going to step away from furniture building and try and do up this workshop that I've been using for the last couple of years. It's a complete mess. No protection against the elements, which leads to, in cold weather, you get rust on cast iron tools. And this has been thrown together from bits and pieces that I've had. So we want to try and address this, do it up, make it a little bit nicer, a little bit more comfortable to use. So hope you enjoy, and I'll catch up with you soon. Okay, so this is what we're trying to achieve. We're going to add some insulation on the roof and insulation on the walls and try and get this layout. Like I said, I've been using this workshop for a couple of years, so it doesn't really get cleaned up very often. So this is just me taking an opportunity to clean up some of the bits and pieces that we have around the shop. I'll put it there. I'll give you the screws and you put them in the box. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. And there goes my camera. So after my daughter helped me for the day, I ended up finishing that off and stripping back everything else and started putting up the insulation on the walls. Okay, at this point we've got most of the insulation up on the walls, which is good. Bar a little bit over the door, which is fine. We've thrown all the existing wiring out of the way just to make it a bit easier to access. And I've put a new hole through the wall for a ducting for the dust extractor, which I've moved out into the adjoining room just for noise. With the OSB board, I kept it about 25 millimeters away from the wall via some battens. It's just to allow some airflow to make sure that any damp that comes through the concrete wall gets a chance to dry off. So you're watching me put up the OSB boards now. We're going to go around and just do everywhere that the wiring needs to come back down over. And I'll come back later then and show up the rest of the OSB boards. So with the wiring in, needs a little bit of cleaning up, but it works for now. In the next video, we'll try and get the new roof on and try and finish off the OSB boards and hopefully get it kind of sealed up a little bit. So please like and subscribe if you made it this far, and I'll catch you in the next one.